Hello friends, welcome to Expert Guidance. Today in this unit, we'll be covering the topic E, extraction and uses of metals of the section 2 in organic chemistry of Edexcel IGCSE chemistry. Now in this video, we'll be looking over how the metals are extracted from the Earth's crust and how we can find the method of extraction of the metal depending on its position in the reactivity series. And then we'll be looking over the uses of aluminium, copper, iron in terms of their properties and what are the various types of steel. We'll also look over the concept of alloys and how they are harder than pure metals. Now I would recommend you to watch this video till the end, because in the end we'll be looking over some very important key terms of this unit. So let's begin.
Now let's see what is metal extraction. Now we extract metals from the minerals or the ores. Now what are minerals? Minerals are the rocks which contains the metal, and ores are those rocks are the minerals. So ores are the minerals from which we can extract the metal profitably. Now metal oxides, most of the metal exist in the form of oxide, so they can only be extracted by reducing the ore. And for reduction, I just told you we have three ways. First, by hydrogen, by carbon, or by electrolysis. All the elements which are below hydrogen can be reduced by hydrogen, which are below carbon can be reduced by carbon, and which are above hydrogen and carbon, they can only be extracted by electrolysis. For example, aluminium, and we'll be looking in this unit how do we extract aluminium. So you need to know the definition of oxidation and reduction, and there are three ways you can define them. Oxidation is gain of electron or loss of hydrogen, or the oil rig. That is, oxidation is loss of electron. For example, carbon and oxygen give carbon dioxide, carbon gaining oxygen, that's an oxidation reaction. Methane plus oxygen give carbon dioxide and water. CH4 is losing hydrogen, so that's an oxidation reaction. And Cl minus converting into Cl2 plus 2 electron. As it is losing 2 electrons, it is an oxidation reaction. For reduction, it's loss of oxygen, gain of hydrogen, or gains of electron. So copper oxide plus zinc is copper and zinc oxide. So there's loss of oxygen by the copper, gain of oxygen by the zinc. H2S plus chlorine is HCl plus sulfur, loss of hydrogen by the H2S, and Na plus plus electron is Na, is a gain of electron by the sodium. Okay, so I hope this oxidation and reduction definitions is clear to you, because in the exam they can give you a reaction and they can ask you to say whether it's an oxidation and reduction. You have to look for these three cases. Okay, all right, so now, as I already told you, elements below carbon will be extracted by carbon, below hydrogen will be extracted by hydrogen, and the above by electrolysis. So copper oxide, copper is below hydrogen, we can easily reduce it with the hydrogen and can extract copper. Zinc is below carbon, so carbon can be used as a reducing agent for zinc. So as for my always advice, what's the next step? Check this specification, make sure everything is there which is there in your specification for C5 is crystal clear to you, and then do exam question on this topic. They can all be found on my website. The link is mentioned on the description box below. All these answers of these key terms are also mentioned on my website along with the notes. The link is mentioned in the description box below. If you still have any doubts in this topic, please feel free to ask me. I have a 24/7 chat support on my website till your exam, where you can come and ask any queries and get instant reply, or you can leave a comment below. We'll reply you as soon as possible. If there's any specific video on any topic of your choice you want me to put a video on, then also leave a comment below. I'll make sure I have that up before your exam. Okay, so if you like this video, then do like, comment, and share this video, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and do click the bell icon so that you get notified with all the upcoming videos, because I'll be uploading loads of videos before your exam. Okay, so I'll see you next in my next video. Till then, happy revising.